What are y'all doing?
What are you doing?
Here. I'm gonna throw it. No, just if you stay out of the way.
Okay, we're out of the way.
No, it's heavy, honestly. 1, 2, no, stay out of the way.
Okay. Oh. Come on down.
See? Sean, you never believe me, do you?
I believed you. I just didn't want to.
Come on.
Be careful, Joe. Your legs.
Okay. Where am I? I'm gonna step it.
Do you need help?
No.
Hold it.
Can you get on the ladder?
Sean didn't believe me.
Sean, come hold the ladder.
How could you not?
We're gonna hold it.
Oh, I'm okay.
Say hi, Joe.
Thanks.
Say hi.
Hello.